Now that's more like it. That's the sort of exhibitions that I'm used to putting on. We used to do these sort of size exhibitions before in the UK, and that space in there is perfect for what we're looking for. I think we will be using the Magma Centre. It's a long way off yet, but I think that's where we'll be. Now, if you want trade stall space, if you want tattoo space, if you want to be a part of the show, involved in the show in any way, then get in touch with us on volcanohunt.com. This is going to be one spectacular event that is going to grow year on year.